Hey guys, this is a very spur of the moment video, but today's video is going to be me transforming myself from this to a somewhat presentable human being. I already did my eyelashes because I wasn't really thinking about doing this video, but then I was like, you know, I might as well film it. I think this would be like kind of cute and fun, quirky. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Chloe and I make beauty videos, lifestyle videos, and college vlogs, all of that fun stuff. So I would love for you guys to be a part of this little party we've got going on. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I'm about to transform into an ultimate baddie because right now, I don't know, I've just been feeling really just not cute lately, so I just wanted to really get cute, you know, prepare for this school time, sadly. But yeah, so I already did my eyelashes. I'm about to attempt to do feed-in braids. I don't know how to cornrow, so this is gonna be really interesting. I've been watching like some YouTube videos on how to do it. Yeah, hopefully it goes well. I bought the braiding hair just now. I think I'm doing like an ombre brown type of look, so hopefully everything goes well. So without further ado, let's try to do this. So if you guys are wondering what lashes that I put on just now, I got the Absolute New York Fab lashes, and I got it in the medium length, and then I also got the Absolute New York individual lash adhesive, so that's what I use to do my lashes. Yeah, so I'm just gonna part my hair now. Hopefully, I can't really see because the mirror's kind of far from me, but I'm trying to get some good footage. Oh, okay, so this is how I part my hair. I usually just go from the nose and back. Hopefully parted. Okay, I think I did something. Sort of. So next I'm just going to use my water bottle and just dampen my hair a little bit, nothing crazy. This was a really good twist out. I'm kind of sad that like I'm ruining it right now, but I want to change it up a little bit. And I use this new honey like leave-in conditioner, and it's so good, guys. Like, it is so good. I'm definitely gonna make a video about like the products I've been loving in my hair recently. The next thing I'm gonna use to detangle my hair is the Aussie Miracle Curls leave-in detangling milk, and I've been using this stuff for a little bit now. It's been working well. It's good on damp hair, so my hair really likes it. So next I'm just going to use the Miracle Curls Frizz Training Cream, and I'm going to use a little bit on like the perimeter of my hair. Hopefully this actually tames the frizz because sometimes they lie. It's already looking pretty sleek. Okay, it's taming some frizz. Before even adding the Kanekalon hair, I'm going to try braiding myself, and we'll see if I can get the hang of that. And then I'll see if I can add the braiding hair. This is so hard. Oh my god, that looks so bad. I am going to cry. This looks terrible. Didn't even get this. I don't think you guys want to see me start crying, so I'm gonna have a little bit of a moment to myself and get my life together, and when I sort of get the hang of it, I will be back.
2 hours later.
Okay, I did that just now. What? Like, I'm freaking out. Okay, so I did the braids. I'm sorry that I couldn't get on camera. I literally just had to go in front of my other mirror, and like it's hard to set up my camera over there, so I just had to do it and then come back. But this is how the braids are looking like. They're pretty long. I like them because they're like ombre brown, so they kind of just look really natural and like summery. I'm so excited with these braids. I'm actually boiling some water right now because I need them to set, so I'm just gonna put them in some hot water. If you guys are wondering what hair I used the Expression double time pre-stretched hair, and I got it in the shade 1B/30, so that's why I got it. Has like this ombre effect. Yeah, I'm just feeling a lot better now. I mean, my lashes don't look the best, but you know, we're just gonna go with it. This is literally like the quickest makeup tutorial you'll probably ever watch, but it gets the job done. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty black brown eyebrow like gel, and I literally just use this and that is it, because sometimes I get super lazy and we don't want to be doing this all day. The next thing I'm going to use is concealer, and I'm also going to use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Deep. I've been using this concealer a lot. I think that this is my summer shade because I'm getting a lot darker, and this is darker than my Fenty Beauty one. I noticed that my Fenty Beauty one is too light like during this time, so yeah, I'm literally just gonna put the teeniest amount because I don't want that much concealer. Shout outs to Jackie Aina. She taught me to let your concealer sit, and it literally makes the biggest difference. Like, I love doing that so much. I think that's all that I do now when I do my concealer. I let it sit for like a minute and then I blend it out. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender. I don't remember how long I've had this blender. I think I've had this sponge for like 3 years now. Don't come for me. I like to blend the outer part first and then go in and blend the inner. You guys know what I'm saying. So the next thing that I'm going to take is the Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep, and I'm just gonna set my face. I hate baking. I feel like it makes me look like a chalkboard. Like, it makes me look so bad. I don't know why people bake. Like, I mean, kudos to you if baking works for you, but I really just can't do it. I just like to set the powder in and we're good. So the next step I'm going to do is highlight, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Cinnamon. I love this highlighter. I think rose gold highlighters look so good on dark skin. Like, look at my nose. I love highlighting my nose. I don't know why. Put it where I need some highlighting, and I have two friends here that don't want to leave. Like, what? I was trying to find my hoops, but I only had my small ones, so we're just gonna have to make do. The lip gloss that I'm gonna be using is the NYX Lingerie Gloss in the color Clear, and it's just the perfect clear gloss. So this is the makeup look. I'm going to just find a cute little outfit to put on, and I will show you guys what I find. So please do not mind the messiness of my room. I'm currently kind of getting all of my stuff back together to go back to school, to move back in, so disregard the appearance of my room. I promise you, I am literally like a neat freak, and yeah. So this is the final look and outfit that I came up with. My top is from Princess Polly and my shorts are from Pink. I think I got these shorts like in March and they were like $20, so but yeah, so this is the final look. I really am proud of myself for doing this hair. I'm just so proud that like I was able to pull this off. Like, my makeup is looking so good. I was looking crazy 2 hours ago, and now like we're presentable. We can go out, we can go somewhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to be a part of this little party we got going on. If you want more videos like this where I'm transforming, make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know. I was thinking about doing a Visco Girl transformation video, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know. But yeah, that's it. I have transformed. I've turned into a somewhat presentable human being, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. This is cute. What? Okay.